This man told me that my hair looked like a water fountain. I don't really know how to feel about it. Comment below and let me know if you think my hair looks like a water fountain. I don't think it looks like a water fountain, but you know. It's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Alisa on Instagram and Twitter. And today's video is gonna be a top 10 products that you must have in your stash. And if you're one of my new subscribers, or if you're clicking that button right now, go ahead and click it. Welcome. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, what's up? What's tea? I'm here with more tea for you. I'm here with all of the tea, dropping all of the gems, everything that you need to have your hair flourishing this summer and all of the seasons to come. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying to get straight to the point with all of these products. So if you do have any questions about these products, further questions about them or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. But I don't want this video to be 30 minutes long or 20 minutes long. So I'm not gonna go too in depth about each product. I'm gonna touch bases on them, tell you why I like it, and move on. So okay. Okay, I can't snap with this hand, but okay. So I just want to begin by saying that these products, my top 10 products, are not in order. I'm a big fan of deep conditioning, so 50% of the products that I'm going to tell you about is going to be a deep conditioner. I feel like all of them are essential towards healthy hair, and these are things that I use routinely in my natural hair regimen, and you always are asking, oh, this is how I do it. Essential. This product I feel is essential to have in your product stash. It's made of 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, and this product here is amazing. It works wonders, and it is a great detox for your hair. If you're looking for curl definition, and I did a complete tutorial on this product here, if you're looking for curl definition to kind of bring out your curls or something, this is the product here. This is something that you use prior to conditioning your hair, so it's not like something you leave in. It's a mask that you rinse out. But let's say you had a sew-in for 2 months, braids for 2 months, a month, or whatever. This is something that you can definitely put on your hair to kind of bring back that curl pattern. I love it. It's amazing, and I completely recommend it. I have a video on my channel of how to use this product and what to do. So if you're interested, and you know, I'm going to go ahead and put that video below and go ahead and check it out. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Hair Mask. As you can see, it's so dingy. It's super dingy. So dingy. And it's just about empty, because that just goes to show that this is something that you must have in your stash, because I use it religiously and I love my masks. Hair masks are my favorite thing to use on my hair. Deep conditioning is my favorite thing to do to my hair. If you're wondering, oh, what do you do? What's the best thing to do for hair growth? Deep condition. Try to do it once a week. I know that's kind of hard, but if you can, do it once a week, and I promise you will see the results very soon. This mask here in particular, it smells really good. Butter, that's the smell. It smells like shea butter. And it is color safe, and that's why I chose it in the first place, because you know my hair, it was colored. Now it's just slowly fading away. Just colored hair just has to be just taken care of on a completely different level, because your hair is technically chemically processed at that point, and you have chemicals in your hair. So, you know, you have to take more care of it. You have to use products that are safer on the hair to, you know, promote growth and still have that colored hair be healthy. My next product on the list is this is the Main Choices Heavenly Halo Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Mask. Yes, I really like this product, and with this product I actually used, this is number 4. So this is my number 4 product that I feel like you should also have in your stash, and this is the Main Choices Shampoo. This is from the Core line. It says easy on the curls, detangling hydration shampoo. And listen, I love this product. About this shampoo, I really love this shampoo because it's really cleansing, and you know, it's really like clarifying but it does not dry your hair out. I didn't have any problems with like dry, tough hair after using this product. Actually, my hair was super soft, and I was surprised because my hair was a mess before using it. My hair was super dry and very brittle before using it. So being that this product did not dry my hair out more was something that I was very surprised about. And also in the name it says detangling hydration shampoo, and you don't detangle with shampoos. Like, I don't detangle with shampoos. I'll never detangle with the shampoo. Conditioners is what I detangle with, and being that it has that in the name, it's just saying like if you wanted to, you could, because like it's just gonna give you that moisture that you need. Also, this here hair mask went really well with this here shampoo. It's kind of different from the normal hair mask that I use, I guess, from Shea Moisture. I mean, it is pretty thick, but like at the same time it goes on the hair like super smoothly, like, so like it's like a pudding. Like Shea Moistures are a little bit thicker and they go on like a kind of like a lotiony kind of, but this is like kind of smooth on the hair, which I really enjoy. And I didn't expect it to be that good, because like once I was putting it on, I'm like, oh, this is not giving me the slip that I like. I was really worried. But after leaving it on for about like 15-20 minutes, like my hair was so soft. I was like, that is a product I guess you just have to leave on for a while for it to work. But my hair was so soft after rinsing that mask out, and it smells so good. Like, let me see what it smells like. I'm gonna try to give y'all a little, I wouldn't say tropical, but it's like coconutty. It's kind of coconutty, I guess. Next on my list is, next I'm gonna go with an oil. It's the Tropic Isle Living Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is my favorite oil to use on my hair. Like, I've been using this oil on my hair since I went natural. It's just something that really moisturizes my hair. I started with coconut oil, and coconut oil would often dry my hair out, or my hair would be dry after a few days. So I switched over to Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I haven't had a problem since. Going 3 years natural this month. I'm gonna be 3 years natural this month. So yeah, I'm learning my hair still. This is still a process. I'm still learning how to work with it, still learning how to get the best results. But this here Jamaican Black Castor Oil is really great. There's other brands that are really good Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I think the other one is Sunny Isle. They also have really good Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and theirs is actually imported from Jamaica. So I mean, like, just get you some Jamaican Black Castor Oil in your product stash. And I also like to use a dropper for my oils. Like, this one just came with a regular top, but I mean, like, I don't like pouring it in my hand and all that. I like to, like, you know, drop. And on to number 6. I'm on to number 6 now. So if you all are wondering, oh my gosh, like, her curls look so nice, like, what did she put in her hair today? Why isn't she telling us like what's in her hair today to give her this water fountain? Today I actually have in my hair some Camaro's Naturals Curl Maker. So, funny story about this product. I actually came across this product because I stole it from one of my friends. I didn't really steal it. She let me have it, but I mean, she couldn't tell me no, because she bought it for weave, and it's like, why are you buying this awesome product for weave? This product is actually like $20. So like, it's super pricey, but let me tell you, it's so worth it. Like, this hair is so old. Let me see how long I've had this hairstyle in. I've had this hairstyle in for like 5 days, I want to say, and you still see curls. Like, they may just be on the ends or whatever, but they're still there. They're definitely still there, and it's been about 5 days and I still have curls. So you can only imagine what my hair looked like on day 1. Here is kind of like, I'm gonna go get the old one. This is my new one, you know. Let me get the old one and show you all what it's like. Okay, so you probably see it better on the old one. It reminds me of like flaxseed gel, the texture of flaxseed gel, and it's really good. And flaxseed gel actually gives me really good curl definition, so it makes sense. I think it's just, I really feel like the texture of this product is what makes it so good. It's not a gel, but it's also not like a curl cream, so it's like kind of in between, and it's really, really good. Like, I'm not even gonna waste it. I'm gonna just put some on my hair. Put this little amount Look at that. Like, I'm telling y'all, I ain't finna tell y'all nothing wrong. I ain't finna tell y'all nothing crazy now. I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all need to know. I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all needs in your life. Boom. Okay. Number 7 on my list is Eco Gel. I'm pretty sure you all already use Eco Gel. You probably don't. You probably do. Don't know. Not sure. But this is what I use for majority of my gelling. It's what I use to slick my hair up for this little water fountain today. I mean, I know Eco Gel had a lot of controversy back a while ago. If you know a better gel, let me know, put me up on game, but this is what I use. Eco Gel doesn't give me any problems. A lot of people say it doesn't work for their hair, but one thing I would like to say is, I put a generous amount of Eco Gel on my hair. Also, I don't normally put Eco Gel on my hair when it's dry. I put it on wet hair. I kind of spray my hair with the spray bottle, brush it up, put the Eco Gel on, then brush it up. Then I put a scarf on to tie it up. So don't expect to just put this on dry hair, do a little few brushes, and then just go on about your day. Yes, your hair is going to curl up. No, it's not going to stay. Like, it doesn't work like that. Number 8 on my list is another deep conditioning mask, because y'all knows I love my deep condition. I can't do it. Y'all know I love my deep conditioning masks. This one here is one of the first few masks that I tried. I'm not gonna say first, but I tried it in probably like year 1 of being natural. I tried this mask here. It is the Manuka Honey and Mafiro Oil Intense Hydration Hair Mask from Shea Moisture. And before you say, oh, I'm biased because I'm a Shea Moisture brand ambassador. Oh, I just want to promote Shea Moisture products. Oh, all I have is Shea Moisture products. Why do you think I'm a Shea Moisture brand ambassador? That's number 1. I'm a brand ambassador for Shea Moisture because I love their products. I'm not just out here saying, oh, their products are great because I'm a brand ambassador. No, their products are great, which is why I decided to try and become a brand ambassador, which is why I'm doing it, because I love their products. I'm not going to become a brand ambassador. Like, why would I do that? Like, but yeah, this hair mask is really, really good. It smells so good. I think this is one of my favorite smells from like hair masks. This mask smells so good. These masks are super thick, like, and it won't fall. Like, that's how thick Shea Moisture masks are. And I really like thick masks for my hair because I feel like they really get through to my strands and they really coat my strands. I don't really like watery masks or watery anything. I like thick products because my hair is thick, so it takes a lot of product to get through to my strands. So if I have a thick mask, I don't really need too much product on my hair. If that makes sense, I hope it makes sense. Your hair will get so much softer. Like, you'll start seeing changes in your hair if you deep condition once a week. I promise you. I promise you. Last product that I actually have in my hands, in my grip, that I would say that you all should have is the Make It Last Wash and Go conditioner. It's a coconut custard one. And actually, I love my deep conditioners. I don't really care for conditioners. It's like whatever. Sometimes I'll shampoo and then put a deep conditioner on. I'll just skip conditioner altogether. Sometimes I'll just deep condition and not even shampoo my hair. So deep conditioners are my go-to. So you will see me telling you guys more about deep conditioners than conditioners, because I feel like that's the key to healthy hair, the key to soft hair, the key to moisturized hair, the key to define curls. Deep condition. The key to everything, the key to life, the key to being natural is to deep condition, okay? I don't know why they put conditioner on the front of this bottle, because it's a deep conditioner in my eyes. And why I say deep conditioner is because it is so thick and moisturizing. It's so thick. It don't make no sense how thick this is. And I do have a video using this product, and I have a little bit more information on how to use this product. And I'll also put that below if you're interested. But yes, that product is really good. And last but not least, the last product I actually don't have in my hands right now, but in the Go Shopping With Me on How to Save Money on Products, I did tell you guys about this deep conditioner. And I found it in the store that I told you guys in that video. You have to watch it to figure out. Not going to tell you. And I really love that deep conditioner. Like, that deep conditioner is also thick. It's also super moisturizing. It smells awesome. And it's a must buy. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was very helpful. I really enjoyed doing this video, making this video for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or Twitter, Or also feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know all the questions that you have. Ask away, and I will answer them. If you're not already subscribed, you might as well do it right now, because I have a lot more gems that I'm going to be dropping real soon. Bye guys.